Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a very high quality stock, which is Basant Maheshwari's top stock pick for the next 10 years. Now friends, we have recently created a free Telegram group for our YouTube channel subscribers. The link for the same is provided in the description of this video. Please click on the link to join and get updated with stock market news at the earliest. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Bajaj Finance Limited, which is available at Rs 4,231.30 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is BAJFINANCE. Now Bajaj Finance Limited is a non-banking financial company which is engaged in the lending and allied activities. It offers consumer finance, SME finance, commercial lending and investment. The company was founded on March 25, 1987 and is headquartered in Pune, India. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company has been on a beautiful uptrend and a lot of wealth has been created here. The company in the short term may also be forming a pattern called as a rounding bottom, which may lead to more gains from here on. The company is a large cap with a market capitalization of 2,54,592.70 crores. The EPS of 82.06 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 51.56, which is much more expensive when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 38.96. The price to book ratio, however, is a more accurate metric for this company, and on that count, it's very expensive. The debt to equity is not such a great figure at 4.6273, whereas the return on equity for this company is a good number at 0.2500. The company has a dividend yield of 0.14%, whereas the promoter holding is an above average figure of 56.15%, out of which nothing is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.